Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw BUSD from your Tangem wallet to crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding BUSD and want to move it seamlessly to your crypto.com account for trading, spending, or staking, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing like a pro. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Tangem wallet with BUSD in it, a linked crypto.com account, and a stable internet connection. Always double-check that your wallets are secure. Crypto is exciting, but safety comes first. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to your asset dashboard and select BUSD from your list of holdings. You'll see the balance. That's your starting point. Step 2. Tap on the withdraw or send option for BUSD. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's below your available balance to avoid any errors. Now, for the key part, choose crypto.com as your destination. You'll need to input your crypto.com wallet address. Double-check this to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Review the transaction details, including fees and estimated arrival time. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but always confirm. Once you're happy, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Tangem security features, like the hardware key. After that, head over to your crypto.com app or website. Step 4. Log in and check your wallet section. It might take a few minutes for the BUSD to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're good to go. Use it for whatever you need. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and verify addresses to avoid scams. If you run into issues, crypto.com's support is usually helpful. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing BUSD from Tangem to crypto.com is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.